Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on where you're listening from. Welcome again this evening to my channel. This is NKY'S Dynamic Channel, speaking from Edinburgh. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my Abacha. Abacha is a Nigerian meal. It's very nice for the body. It's very delicious and is good for hosting your visitors. So let's go. I'm going to use this my crayfish already fried. I'm going to use these onions. I'm going to use this leaf. It's utazizi, but because I don't have the fresh one, I'm going to use the frozen one. I'm also going to use this little salt and crayfish. I'm using this crayfish because the ones I have that is already blended, sometimes because they blended it from Nigeria, sometimes it has sand, so I don't want to use it. That's why I'm using this type. Here I'm going to use this Pottash, and I'm going to use this Scotch bonnet pepper, one Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use this snot, beef snot too, as one of the recipes. I'll be using palm oil. I put it in this bottle just to make it easier for me to scoop it out. Here, this is the main recipe. It's called Abacha, and this recipe is from cassava. So I'm going to soak it with warm water because it's very, you can see it's very hard. So here I've got my Abacha. I just poured some hot water on it just for 2 minutes so that it does not soak and become too soft. So I just to soften it a little bit here. So I've done that, and I'm going to start the frying. So the first thing I'm going to incorporate here is my palm oil. This recipe is from Tasty City, so you can check her out on YouTube. So this recipe is from her. So I've got my oil, my onions, got my chili and the potash. I've also got my salt. I've got the potash inside there. And here I've got the crayfish. Because I'm using the cow snot, I'm going to add it at this point. Wow, smelling so nice. So at this point, I'm going to add the Abacha. Wow. It's smelling so good. Really smelling delicious. If you like what you have watched this evening, please don't fail to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, share with friends and families, and leave a nice comment. Thank you for watching, and also check Tasty Cities channel where you can find the main recipe. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet again at NKY'S Dynamic Kitchen.